the Auditor General would have outlined, especially jobs that were placed that there was no competition, there was no vacancy advertised. It is true. And I'll go a step even further. A lot of these vacancies that they put out to say there's a really and truly, the position is already filled. That is a ghost vacancy that is there. But what happened is that because they want to look and appear transparent, they put out the vacancy. But really and truly, nobody now look upon that. Nobody's going to look at that. Because then don't pick and decide who gonna get the work already. You're wasting your time. That is Jamaica, land we love. That is what has been happening in this country. And the lie, I think what irritates me is how these politicians play in our face and take with idiot. Because, especially when Dr. Tufton spoke about over 600 jobs being given away, that is a lie. You were doing that for publicity stunt to make it look like the government is employing people. That is a lie. A big fat lie. I don't believe that. I don't trust that man, but it's another matter about. But that is a lie.